Excel can be used for numerical differentiation. Now suppose I want to calculate the average speed of two runners in a marathon race. So from Data tab, get and transform data from text file. Select the text file that has the information for the two runners. Import. In this text file, the tab key is the delimiter, so make sure to select tab. And now the preview of the table is showing the correct format. Click on load, and the information is loaded here. These arrows should be removed, so select these three cells, and from table design, convert to range. Click OK on this warning message. Now the table is changed to range. Another adjustment is that you need to select this time for the two runners. Right click, format cells, and here make sure to select this format: hours, minutes, and seconds. Click OK. Now the format is right. Another thing you need to do before you calculate the average speed is to calculate the fraction of an hour. So 14 minutes and 10 seconds, you need to calculate it as a fraction of an hour. So here I would type runner 1 time in hours, close the square bracket, enter, 0, enter, and here in this cell I would type equal sign, select this cell, multiplied by 24, enter. Now if you right click on this cell, format cell, from category of number, as the first one, navigate numbers, is active, click OK. Now my time is converted to a fraction of an hour. If you double click on this border, it would widen the cell for me to be able to read the entire title, runner 1 time in hours. Now if you drag this autofill handle to the right, it would do the same thing for you. Click on this and select this formula, and it would show that this is calculating this cell, multiplying this cell by 24. So now double click on this autofill handle, and it would repeat the formula for other rows. So here on this cell I would type runner 2 time in hour, enter. Now I can calculate the average speed. So here runner 1 speed, runner 2 here is 0, tab 0, tab 0, and here in this cell I would type equal sign. So I would use the numerical differentiation method, distance divided by time. So open the parentheses, the distance is 5 minus 0, so this cell minus this cell, close the parentheses, forward slash, and the time is these two cells. So open the parentheses, this cell minus this cell, close the parentheses, and enter. So the runner 1 speed is 21 kilometers per hour. Now what is for runner 2? So here I would type equal sign, open the parentheses, again this cell minus this cell, close the parenthesis, divided by time. So open the parenthesis, this cell minus this cell, and close it, enter. So the second runner speed is 11 kilometers per hour. Now if I double click on this autofill handle, again it would repeat the same formula for other rows. You can adjust the decimal places here. 2 decimal places would be enough for us. Now I can calculate maximum speed for runner 1 and here maximum speed for runner 2. Now here I would type equal sign max, open the parentheses and select this range, close the parentheses, enter. So this is the maximum speed for runner 1, and here for this cell I can drag this to the right. The maximum speed for runner 2 is 11.76. Now minimum speed. Runner 1 equal sign mean, open the parentheses, select this cell, this column, close the parentheses, enter, and drag it to the right. And here minimum speed runner 2 So I have maximum and minimum speed for both of the distance for both of the runners at different intervals. We can select these first 3 columns, go to insert, from chart select the first scatter type. Here, in order to make sure that the correct data is selected, right click, select data, select the first plot, edit, change the name to runner 1. For X values, make sure this time column is selected. For Y values, the distance is selected. Click OK. The second plot, edit, change the name to runner 2. X values needs to be changed to this column. Y values is the distance values, select this column. Click OK and then OK. So here we have the distance for both of the runners at different times. So you can add titles, distance in kilometers, time as hour, minutes, and seconds. Enter. Click outside the chart and you can move it to a blank space. So we have this plot for the data we have.